How to share your Genie camera with someone else. To share your Genie camera with another user, they must first download the Genie app and register their own account. In the Genie app, you just want to make sure to open the app, tap on the profile at the very bottom right corner of the screen. There you have these device sharing options as well, or home management, and look for these device share options. If you cannot find one, you could just go to the gear icon at the very top. You could then go ahead and look for these device share options as well, or account and security. There as well, you should be able to locate it out. And this is where you should be able to find it in the privacy settings. You could go ahead and look for it. So basically, you'll be able to find this option right over here. Select the camera you wish to share and confirm, and enter the account details, mobile number or email address of the person that you want to confirm or share. And the person you're sharing must already have an account registered to a Genie app before you can add them as well. Or you could also use the scanner as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.